Hi everyone and welcome back. I am super duper excited about today's video because I get to reveal to you something that's been in the work for several months now. So what is it? I got my studio. I've got my candle making, soap making, bath, body, balm, butter, lotion making studio upstairs, and I can finally work in it. It has literally turned my business around. So I had already said that I wanted a candle making studio or soap making studio, but I never really planned it out. My husband went to work and he got sick. So most people, when they get sick, they want to come home, they want to lay down, rest, maybe get some soup or sleep. Not this guy. No, So he goes upstairs, and before I know it, all you hear is this loud boom noise. But he kicks his foot into the wall. And at this point, I'm like, okay, there's no going back. This wall's going down, baby. I'm grabbing my camera because we're about to get down and dirty. And this is how my studio was created.
Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Motivation to youth only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you.
This is what happened
You can never
when you tell your husband that you want a soap and candle making studio. And the kids are off to college. Who needs a bedroom? I want a studio. I don't even know what this stuff is for, but I think it's about to get really loud.
Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready. Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Come steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti. Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready?
Like, that's the thing. People like, I'm scared of electricity. What are you cutting off? You know, common sense. Like, if it's not running, it can't get you.
I'm actually helping install lights. We got lights. See how hard I work? You need some help?
No, I'm good.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you doing.
So you want to line something up between, you want to line up here and there, and it faces each other like perfectly. That's what you got. That's what you have that for. That level for.
They don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Beast in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches with soldiers are made. pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey.
Welcome to my studio. Okay, so after all that hammering and beating and gluing and hanging and screwing, this is what we've come up with. So I'm gonna take you around from left to right. This is an L-shaped desk. I got this from Best Buy. It's actually two L shapes. I just have half in here and then half is for my work. I think it was only $150, but if I can find it, I'll post that in the description box below. And I've got my handy dandy printer here. This is my HP LaserJet printer. I absolutely love this printer. It cost a pretty penny, like $700 something, and I think there was only 2 left in the state of North Carolina. So I got my hands up on one. If you want that, I'll post that in the description box below too. I was thinking about moving that printer from there to over here because I think this is more stable, but we'll just look at that later. This is my small work area. When I come up here to work and make labels or edit video, I just put my laptop here and I have a little lamp in my diary that we were talking about. Not my diary, my journal. So that's my little work area. This is kind of like a storage unit. You've probably seen them at Wal-Mart before, and it was just sitting around the house. So, no, this was downstairs, wasn't it? This was downstairs. The TV was on it.
I don't know why you want your cameraman to talk, but okay. Yes, it was downstairs.
Yeah, it was downstairs. And since we got a fireplace, this didn't have a home. So this is like kind of like a little cubby thing. So I've got some recipes and labels and blank labels in here. Labels down there, some candle equipment, steamer, heat gun, wax melter, and at the bottom is my, what is that?
Electric single burner.
Yeah, my electric burner. Since I'm not in the kitchen anymore, I'm gonna need something to melt my butters and wax with. I thought this thing was like this tall, but it's not. It's only like, how tall is that? 4 feet?
About 4 feet.
About 4 feet tall, but
yeah.
It's okay. I just have, a place for my peanuts and my tape, and this is where I package things before I ship it out, or else I can package it on my work table. So this part I'm so excited about. This is my slate panel with clear shelving. I got this from Amazon, and this is on pretty darn tough because Mason did that for me. He has like a really cool laser thing, and I'm gonna show that on camera too. And he measured everything and made sure that it was level. So not only did I want something that was gonna make it easy for me to grab my products and it was real accessible, but I wanted something that was aesthetically pleasing, and I wanted light colors, nothing too dark. So this white with the clear shelves with my supplies on it, it's absolutely perfect because I don't mind this being out and I don't mind people seeing it. If we move over here, this is my finished products and soaps that are curing shelves. If you can notice, we're kind of running low on some items, which was my goal. My daughter and I did our last event in December and we sold a lot of stuff. And since I'm making a lot of changes, that was my goal. So I need to get rid of the stuff. So check out the website, you might see some sales on there. Okay, and if we move to this section, I've got another slat panel wall with clear shelves. And this, I wanted it to be the background of where I film my videos. That's why I have so much color on here. I have my dried embeds and flowers and my colored mica and my soap colorant. All of that stuff. Because I didn't want a plain background, I wanted you guys to look at it and kind of just get some color or some life. So I love that. And my alcohol for my soaps so when I clean off my shelves. And then I've got a couple of scales. Yeah, my electronic scales. My heat gun and my nerdy TI 85 calculator. If you don't have a TI, you're not nerdy enough. Safety first, goggles. You see this big long table. I love this table. And of course, Mason assembled it for me. It's pretty entertaining because I called myself trying to help, but I think I was getting on his nerves.
You good, man.
It was very entertaining. I'm also gonna make sure that's definitely in the video. But I love this table. I can't recall off the top of my head what the dimensions are. 3 by
36 by 72.
Yeah, 36 by 72. And I specifically wanted those measurements. It took me a minute to find it, but we measured this entire space and I wanted to maximize it. I'm like, what's the biggest table that I can get away with and still be able to walk around 360 degrees? And this was this bad boy right here. Stainless steel, baby. And it's got a shelf on the bottom as well. And I like that shelf because I can store more equipment and supplies down there, like my bowls and my measuring cups and my soap cutter, without it getting all cluttered and looking like it was in the way. So I absolutely love that part. I stole this wardrobe from my son. Since he's off in college, he doesn't need it. And this didn't have any shelves at all. So all these shelves that you see, Mason cut those shelves and they're measured perfectly. And he also gave me some extra holes so I can adjust the shelves, the height and the height for each of the shelves, because some of my jars or some of my containers come really big, like this one in the back. That's like a 5-gallon bucket and some are shorter. So I'm definitely gonna need to adjust my shelves. So I love that. And what are you doing?
Mirror.
If we open this side, I've got more area. And again, this didn't have any shelves either. So Mason cut all these shelves. And I've got everything from soap molds to stickers, thank you cards, wick holders, business cards, bath bomb molds, wax melt containers, candle tops, a plethora of fragrance oils. I don't know why I have so many fragrance oils. More fragrance oils. I don't know why I have so many fragrance oils. And then I also have my lye and some of my preservatives and other things that are in bottles that I use to make my soaps. And a couple of things I just threw in here, like my UV inhibitor, some more glass bowls that I use to measure. And I got these little plastic drawers, probably from Wal-Mart, but I just have batteries and wicks inside of there. It kind of looks messy right now, and I have to admit, it kind of looks messy right now, and I have to admit it kind of is messy, but my whole goal was to just get up here, get out of the way from downstairs so I can finally use the kitchen for what it's supposed to be used for. Drinking wine. So.
It's funny.
There's going to be so many changes to come with the studio. Oh, and I can't forget up there, those are all of my candle jars, which I have boxes and boxes of candle jars. I don't know why I have so many boxes of candle jars. It's ridiculous. But this is it. Don't you like it? Oh, I almost forgot. Get the lights, Mason. And then there's one over here too. Those lights. Oh, I love those lights. Yep. Those lights are so bright. I haven't even had to use my studio lights up here. Not at all. I told him I need this space bright. Mason actually picked out those lights. He was sitting down. Where'd you find it? Pinterest or something?
Pinterest to Amazon.
Pinterest to Amazon. I was like, I need lights, and he found the lights. And it has like 6 light bulbs each. It's totally perfect. So I might actually be able to save some space and move my lighting gear out of here. Oh, I almost forgot. Yep, we installed the floor too because this used to be carpet.
Yeah.
Just don't get the ratchet parts. This used to be carpet, and as you saw in the demolition video, there used to be a wall right here as well. And that wall is gone. We pulled up the carpet. We went on a date to the landfill. Driving up mountains of trash, and we threw it out the back of the trash. It was awesome. Then we went to Lowe's. You know how to show a girl a good time. Girl, we went to the dump. Yeah, we went to Lowe's.
Lord have mercy.
Having my own dedicated workspace has taken a load off my shoulders. Now that I'm able to think in a more clear space, I also wanted to project some goals that I want to accomplish this year, and I wanted to really organize them and plan and strategically think how I can set reasonable yet profitable, exciting, and goals that are more leveled up. Last year I ordered a journal. It's called Smart Self-Care. I don't know if you can see that. So I ordered a different version, but it's by the same company, and this one is Happy Life Planner. I actually bought one for everybody. I think I ended up ordering like 7 of them, and it really got my wheels turning, trying to decide what I wanted to accomplish not only this year, but what were some of my long-term goals. I stopped being that person who set New Year's resolution goals a long time ago. My New Year's resolution started to just become be a better person, be a better person, be a better person. What does that mean? I feel like it was kind of a cop-out, or maybe I was cheating. What does being a better person mean? I'm the kind of person that when I come up with a bright idea, my mind starts spinning. I don't end up doing all of them, not because I can't figure out or I'm not good at it, but I didn't prioritize. I didn't plan. I wanted to just double down and get hard on myself and think about a plan to accomplish these things. My next top goal, post a YouTube video once a week. I can do this. If I plan my filming, my product making, my content, my editing, and my release the right way, I can totally do it, and that's what I plan on doing. And there's a whole list of things you can put in here. They can be tangible or intangible. I really like this because I'm able to have concrete and abstract ideas and really just, I don't know, just take my life to the next level. This is it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining in, and I'm definitely going to keep you updated with the progress on my journal and the progress with my storage solutions. And if you have any recommendations for some storage solutions, hit me up, because I am totally up for any advice, because this is just the beginning, because we're going levels to this shit. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and please hit that notification button so you can be notified anytime I post new videos. Until next time, bye guys.
I'm being silly.
Yes.
I ain't do none of this. I ain't do nothing. I was asleep the whole time. I took a nap.
I already told them that you were sick.
She did all that.
And you kicked a hole in the wall.
Me?
Yeah.
You got footage of it? I ain't seen none. I would watch the Steelers win.
Because I haven't gone to the gym since I wrote this down.